Hello guys, welcome to Pisicha Hairs. So this is your girl Pisicha. I'm going to be doing something different and new today. So I'm going to be dreading this hair. This hair is 9 months old because I cut it last May 28th last year, and this is February 25th, so it is 9 months. So I'm going to be dreading it today. So if you're new and when you want to learn how to dread hair, you can watch this video. If you're wondering why this hair is wet, yes, I just finished washing it and applying some treatment, so the hair is going to be soft. You guys know how natural hair is. Natural for hair is very, very hard, so you need to apply treatment for it to be soft. This my hair is not that long for 9 month old, but anyway, let's see how the length is going to be when we dread it. So subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. Watch. So we have started the dreading process. So you comb out your hair like I did, then you divide it if you have beeswax. So the thing on the lady's hand is beeswax. You rub it on the hair, twist it down of the hair, so that there will be a not a loop, it will be tight at the down. Then you use your crochet, put it under, then drag it out, put it under, drag it out, so it will be locking. It will be like tying. That's what we call locking of hair. It will be tying. You can see what the lady is doing. So that's what we're going to be basically doing throughout the hair. So you divide your hair, comb it out, rub your beeswax. Beeswax is for making it to twist, so that it can twist. So you rub your beeswax, you twist the tips, twist it to some extent, then you use your crochet pin, chook it from the root, bring hair out. You can see, chook it from the root, bring it out, chook it from the root, bring it out. So that's what you'll be doing until it's tight at the root. It's very tight. It's very tight at the root. That's what you will be doing. So just enjoy the video, look at the process closely, look at it very, very well. This dreading of hair, it's actually quite easy. It's actually quite easy. So after finish locking the roots, the tip of the hair that it's not yet locked, you will just use your foam to roll it, your rolling foam, your hair rolling foam, this type of foam, yes, to roll the tip so that it will roll. You rub your beadmark wax on the tip to get that twisting effect though. Then you use your foam to roll the tips of the hair as she's doing. So you can see all the tips is rolled. Yeah, so we are done dreading this hair. We used hours. To dread hair is not easy. We used hours to do this dreading. So if you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. So I will be posting another video soon, so stay tuned and watch.